Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the song file. You need the audio on your computer. First, confirm iPhone iOS is current and open Finder, Mac, or iTunes, PC. Next, pick the YouTube track and set exact start and end times. Ringtones should be 30 seconds or less to avoid truncation. Then download or capture the audio as an MP3. Once you have the MP3, make sure its loudness and clip length are correct before moving to file conversion and trimming on your computer. Now you convert and package the clip. Open your editor, trim exact start and end. This keeps the hook intact. Export or convert the trimmed MP3 to AAC/M4A using iTunes or a converter because iPhone ringtones require that format. Make sure the track length stays under 30 seconds. Adjust fade in /out to avoid abrupt cuts. After conversion, locate the M4A file and rename the extension to M4R. This tells the system it's a ringtone. Keep the file name short and simple. Finish by syncing the ringtone to your iPhone. Connect your device, open Finder or iTunes, then drag the M4R into the tones section or directly onto the device. Once synced, open Settings, Sounds and Haptics and pick your new ringtone. If it doesn't appear, make sure the file is under 30 seconds and properly named with M4R, then resync. If problems persist, restart your phone and computer. Most issues clear with a simple reboot, or recreate the file ensuring correct format and length.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.